What's the meaning of Ancy? Ancy. 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 Ancy.
Ancy is a suffix that is used to form nouns indicating a state or quality. It comes from the Latin antia, which means the condition of being. When added to a base word, it creates a noun that describes the state or quality of something. For example, constancy denotes the state of being constant, while vacancy describes the quality of being vacant or empty. Overall, the ancy suffix helps to create concise and precise words that convey a specific meaning and add depth to the English language.